Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. This AutoCAD 2022 3D modeling tutorial is part 5 of this 3D house design. You can download and install AutoCAD 2022 tutorial linked in the I button. And I hope all the AutoCAD architecture learning students as well as AutoCAD civil engineering learning students will be benefited through this tutorial series. So in the previous 4 parts, we have converted the 2D plan to 3D. Then we have created this beautiful looking staircase, then the glass railings, also the sliding doors and the sliding windows, the box charger. And in this tutorial, we will learn to create the glass grills and then we will place those. One more thing, I want all my viewers to comment below the most preferred language in which you want me to create tutorials more often, English or Hindi. So I am into 3D modeling workspace. First I'll set the UCS to front. Now I'll draw a few rectangles. So type REC and press enter. Then draw the rectangles as shown in the cutouts. In the back side as well. I have turned the selection cycling on for easy selection. Now select all the rectangles. Click on Move tool and move it outwards. Now to create the frames, we'll offset all the rectangles inwards by 50 units. So type O and press enter. Specify offset distance as 50. Press enter again. Then select the rectangles and click inwards to offset. Always right click to exit. Now click on press pull tool or type PRES and press enter. Select the outer rectangle and extrude it backwards by 50 units. Then click inside this boundary and press pull cut it backwards by 50 units as well as shown to create the frame. Same way, create all the frames. Now I'll convert the inner rectangles into surfaces by using region command. So type REG and press enter. Select all the rectangles as shown. And press enter. And these are converted into surfaces. Now type MA and press enter. Select this glass and then select all the surfaces as shown. To match properties, match the property of the railing to the frame as well. I'll erase all the 2D lines. Now select this one, type GRO and press enter to group this into one element. Group this one together as well. Now type M and press enter. Select this glass grill, press enter. Click at this midpoint snap and then click at this midpoint snap to move it over here. Move this one as well as shown. So it's done. Remaining you have to try yourself. You just have to set the UCS to right and create the rectangles. That's it. And I hope you will be able to do it. It will look like this after completing. And you can comment below if you face any difficulty. I'll make a separate tutorial then. So this is it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.